this the normal way you get out of your machine? You okay? Alright, welcome back to another video here at SMORR and in Seymour, Missouri, I believe is the town that it is. We're hitting the trail again this morning, and we're going to see if we can get you another video today. I think we're going to head towards Red Hawk, maybe the Rattler Waterfall, and a few others. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy today's video, and we'll see you here in the next clip. Hello, good morning, everybody. It's Saturday morning, currently about 8:52 in the morning. Gianna and I, she's stuck taking easy routes with me today because I don't really want to mess up my back anymore. So I'm going to take ones and twos on the trail system to get where they're going and be able to hang out and watch them do some shenanigans. But for today, wildebeest's on easy mode. As far as we made it, we're going to walk up Rocker Knocker now, taking the easy line, and we're going to go meet up with them. I think I hear them up there.
I think I hear someone.
So when we get up there, I'll show you what's going on. Well, this is about perfect timing because I hear them coming down Rocker Knocker right now. And I believe one of these 3 ridiculous obstacles are the ones that they're looking for.
We attempted this one last year.
This one?
The middle one, yeah.
Yeah, that ain't no joke. That looks like it has the most tire wear on it. That's every bit. I'm not gonna stand in the water here, but it goes down even further. But you know, that's every bit of 6 feet, 7 feet. Happen here at the beginning of Rattler. I think they refer to this as Rattler Waterfall. We tried this last year. Me and SHERI were both unsuccessful.
Scott's gonna pull up on this. He's another 72-inch machine. 32 Zillas, smart spool. That's it. Scott. No. Go forward and driver. Now back up passenger. Nice driving. Alright, well that went up easier than expected. I was expecting it to have to work for it at least a little bit. I don't know, maybe it's the 64-inch wheelbase type thing. Sherry's getting ready to pull up on it now. Thank you. Sherry, come all the way back down. Come over here a little bit more. You moved over a lot. Start over here again. Keep going. Keep going. All right, right there. Oh, maybe not.
No, you're good, Sherry. Just want to turn your wheels a little driver. Like that left, have your steering wheel like a left and block.
Alright. Chris said go ahead and give it a send. Sherry knows what that means. Woo! Hell yeah! Almost all the tools come flying out of there, but we're good. Alright, Tim says he's gonna give it a go here. So me and Sherry are 64-inch machines. Tim's 64-inch machine. Excuse me. The 72-inch machine's the tires stick out wider, so it kind of holds the body off. I think we just have to hit it a little bit harder. Baby. Hit it. All right. right, 1 sec.
Got her?
Your tires were hooking real bad. Your tires were hooking real bad. Let's go up and see what Chris is getting himself into. Alright, looks like this is the end of the trail. That's a really steep ledge on the left side. Pretty good tip over hazard there, I think. Nice, very nice. That didn't work out.
I was gonna say, you want me to record for you?
I think it is still going.
It is. I see it red. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get you by myself.
Alright.
If you put it in reverse,
Yeah, think I can drive
back
out.
down. I'll try and push you over.
All right.
I don't think so.
All right, I'll get out here.
So, is this the normal way you get out of your machine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, usually when I park it in the evenings, I just swap it over and get out.
You know, I've come grown to getting out the same way, but I have a taller windshield, so it's
Yeah,
a little easier.
Yeah, I can't get out the windshield.
Yeah, so I don't have to climb over my passenger either, because usually there's nobody in with me.
All right, Coop, you're on your own, buddy.
Yep, we'll come see you later on this evening.
It's been slam on you.
All right, Coop, go ahead and hook your harness.
Woo!
Maybe backs up the way his tires
Yeah.
are. Get over here a little
Point
more.
this way.
Yeah.
We'll get you on the right line, Coop.
This trail is way worse
Is it?
than it was a year ago. It was nowhere near this. What is this trail? This is Rocky Road. Yeah. I was wondering.
Good, fire it up. Back up the way you're pointed. Put it in four-wheel drive. Was I not in four-wheel drive? Surely I didn't do that. Maybe I turned it off.
Probably nothing to do with it.
Yeah. A little bit. Alright. Throw your noggin. Throw your helmet on. We're gonna take a time out here. I'm gonna have him put his helmet on. You're good. Forward. More. straight. Keep going. Okay, turn that way. Forward. Good. SHERI coming up. Stay high on this side. Don't go over that. Stay this way a little bit. Yeah. Yep. Nice job, SHERI. You know. Nice job, Tim. We got Scott down there coming up. Red Hawk, labeled a 5. It's a decent one. We got Will halfway up there.
Coop, watch out, buddy.
We're gonna get this bottom section, and then we'll get Will getting them going up.
All right, Jesse's up.
That went better than expected. Thought I was gonna have to work a little bit more for it. Scott's gonna come up next. You taking this line or this line? Okay.
My suspension ain't gonna handle that at speed.
He's up and out of there. All right, Sherry's up. I asked her if she was gonna take the left line since everybody took the right line. She said yeah. She's gonna pull up on it now. We'll see how she does. That was perfect. Perfect. Here comes Tim. I'd imagine he's gonna do just fine. Threw his helmet on, just in case he comes tumbling back. Just a little bit more, Tim. Just a little bit. There it is. You just gotta jump it. Oh. You can come up back a little bit. There. All right. Have Chris up first, and then we'll follow. Those 37s are massive.
All right, Jesse's up. Smart spool, rear axle design, 32s. Let's see what happens. Up. He has a 33 spline smart sport.
Alright, I walked down, grabbed a camera from Scott. Scott's in, coming up here. He's gonna hit the first section of True Grit. Nice job. All right, this is the next hard spot on True Grit. Pretty much what you want to do is just throw up around this line. That way you don't hit and slide. Coop.
SHERI is up.
Tim's coming. We'll get a little bit different position here, about 3/4 of the way up. Nice job, Tim. All right, now Scott. My battery's about to die. Hopefully it lasts.
Good save. You okay? Good save.
Wow, Scott. Okay. Give us a few minutes, we'll gather some stuff up.
Yeah. I feel good. You're good.
Oh, no, no.
Damn.
Scott, you brought all the mud up here.
Oh.
What the hell is going on? I'm committed now.
I don't even remember how you landed on 4 wheels.
I missed it all. I could hear it. I did not poop myself. For
He slid around, and then he went to save it. I think you trying to save it up here might have made it worse.
There. See a bolt laying in there.
Yeah, a couple wrenches.
Where did it come from? Glove
Yeah, he was over. Yeah, he went over.
Once I heard him roll, and then I looked at her. It's on the wheels. Damn, I don't get out fast now.
He was gonna go again, but he saved it there. Oh my goodness, Scott.
That's what happened to the slide.
Yeah, it slid around. Oh jeez. All right, we'll be back with attempt number 2.
You landed on 4 wheels. I missed it all. I could hear it. I did not poop myself. He slid around, and then he went to save it. I think you trying to save it up here might have made it worse.
Alright, I come up here a little bit further. I come up further out of the way here in case anything happens.
I didn't let out that time.
Alright, this is the last really nasty section. I tried this spot last year. I kept bellying real bad. So I'm not sure if I'm going to try it again this year or not. We'll see.
All right, Jesse's mounting up, hitting this waterfall. I believe it's the last thing on True Grit. SHERI up. She's gonna check it out here. She's on King Cobra level 3s up front and Turner XBs in the back. No, pull straight up. That way. Pull forward. Back up. Back up, yep.
All the way down.
Okay. Now aim for that tree up there. Straight. Ah, that broke. That broke.
Pretty sure that was a pinion.
Spin 'em.
What's a pinion?
What? Nothing broke. I think that was
I-
a frame. And broken inner.
Inner than level 3.
Wow. Oh, it did break, huh? What? You say you broke the inner?
Yeah. Inner on that level 3.
That is a win right there, baby.
Yeah, it twisted so bad it's ripping the boot off.
So,
Hey, honestly,
if you guys aren't familiar,
you don't need that axle to make this.
they're happy about
If she just, if
they're
she
happy
sets
about
up right where
breaking
you
the
were
inner
and gives
up
it a
that big
gradual
beefy level
set,
3
I bet she can make a little
Cobra
ride.
because
Ride, three.
you know it didn't
That
compromise the differential.
is impressive. Break
So
that.
you know we're always concerned about try not to overpower something else and having something more catastrophic down the drivetrain break. So you just literally watched her land full throttle, and that inner level 3 just couldn't handle it. So the diff is still stronger than the level 3 inner axle, which is it's pretty darn impressive. Maybe I don't know. That was she landed straight on throttle.
It's ripped the boot off. You know where it's touching?
Yeah.
It's ripped. I don't know if it's from twisting or if it just hit it.
I mean, I don't think you can land on throttle any harder. The whole front end stopped spinning.
I don't think it's broke. I think it's fine. What the hell?
Maybe it's just the boot that's twisted. Maybe it hit the boot so hard.
Maybe it's.
We're gonna have to check it because if that didn't break, that's impressive.
Yeah, maybe it just jumped in the cage.
Yeah,
Or the A-arm hit the boot and twisted it. If the A-arm hit the boot while the axle was spinning, it
Yeah.
twisted the boot.
So the
boot's about ripped in half.
It was in the air, and it's when
It
she
was
hit
still
the throttle,
spinning.
it spun faster.
That's what I thought there for a second when she
yeah,
Yeah, it's still spun.
it's awesome. Smart spool, baby.
I need the different inners.
Okay, well, the boot ripped, but I don't think the axle was broke because everyone said it was still spinning.
it ripped it straight in half. Like,
Yeah, probably just this corner probably rubbed on that.
yeah, you can see it. See where it's shiny?
Yeah,
It's a little groove. You can feel
Just
it.
cut it right around.
Yeah, it hit right there on that lip. Like a can opener.
yeah.
Cut the boot all the way around.
Hit right there.
Weren't they already?
wrong, Tim?
Are these CT uppers?
Oh.
Yeah, uppers and lowers. Well, goodbye to another boot.
These are the ones we put different inners on now.
I just have to say, I am thoroughly impressed with the smart spool setup in the Halo case that SHERI's running and Cobra level 3 axles. The hit that she took would have destroyed anything else, axles or diff. So I'm very impressed. We thought it broke because it made a noise, but we checked it, it's still pulling. So looks like the boot seen better days, but that can be fixed. Not sure. I think there was a little nick on the A-arm. Maybe the boot caught the A-arm or something, but I must say, if I didn't replay it, I'll replay it now, but man, that was a hard hit on throttle. All right, we are at Pick Your Poison. What we're gonna do is we're gonna end this video here. I believe this is a red, maybe a 6. So definitely want to tune back in a few days to see us start here, and then we're going to still work our way around, probably get you one more video. So thank you all for tuning in and liking and subscribing and watching our videos. You guys are awesome. Check out our website, thecanamcrew.com. It's a huge help to us, keeping us out here making videos, and hit that subscribe button if you're not already. We greatly appreciate that. I'm gonna see if I can go up here, and then we'll see where else we get. So we'll see you back here in a few days, and we'll start off here at Pick Your Poison. See you in the next one.